Hey everyone, this is Crystal, and I just received this shipment from scrapbook.com about 5 minutes ago. So I thought I would just turn on my camera and that way we could look at it all together. I can already tell there is so much good stuff here. I'm super excited to dive in. This isn't even all of it. Some of it didn't fit in the shot. So also, I have my windows open. It's a gorgeous day, so I'm so sorry if you can hear some noises from outside. But I'm just going to kind of walk through everything that's here and we can take a look at it together. So first of all, there is one of these, the small size storage containers. So these are plastic boxes with little round containers in them. If you watched my sequin organization or Organize With Me video, I use one of these to organize my sequins in, and I was saying in that I just needed to get another one to be able to organize some other stuff that didn't quite fit, and here we go. I have another one for that. There was also one of the brand new clear containers from scrapbook.com. Oh my goodness. So it has a lid, of course, which fits on top, but also, oh my goodness, there's so much traffic right now. Okay, they're doing construction on our street too. This is probably a bad idea. I'm just gonna power through. So the lid also just snaps on the bottom so that you can actually store additional supplies underneath the basket if you have like stuff that maybe is taller than the basket, so you don't want to use the lid. You can actually just put it underneath and store extra stuff in there. Otherwise, you can use it as a lid just like this, and it will hold stuff on top as well. So super excited to come up with a reason to use that, I guess. What didn't fit on camera was another one of these large plastic storage containers with the dividers in them. So, oh, here. It opens up and there are all these dividers that will separate the container so you can store a bunch of different things inside there. I already have one of these too. You may have seen it in my stencil organization video, but I'm excited to have another one. They are super handy because they're enclosed, because they have a lid, and I have gremlin cats that like to tear into everything I have. So I have to have everything stored in closed containers. So those work so good for me. Okay, then let's go over here. You can see it's shipped with all this adorable confetti. It's everywhere, but it's so cute. Okay, so there is a set of tweezers. These are reverse sew. They stay closed if you let them go and only open when you pinch them, which are super nice to have. This is a little package of the small storage envelope. So just 1 second here. Okay, so these are plastic storage envelopes. You can see they have a little closure here. That the top of the envelope will slip in, and you can store like die cuts in here, or small dies, or even a small stamp set would fit in here nicely. And then it's a really thick plastic, so anything you put in here will be super protected. They are really nice. I use the larger ones to store a lot of my larger stamp sets. Okay, and then these are the tab dividers that go with this container here. So let me move this out of the way. These sit inside here like this, and that way you can divide up like different types of stamps that you might want to put in here, or other kinds of embellishments. Can you even see what I'm doing here? Okay, so these are rainbow ones, and these are all white, and they do come with labels as well. All right, now let's open up this gorgeous package of goodies. Got a nice little suite there. So here we have some of the brand new adhesives. So there are 2 sizes of this new liquid glue. It's called Smart Craft Glue from scrapbook.com. It is white, but it dries clear, and it also stays tacky so that you can use it with foiling machines, which I think is amazing. It's like an all-purpose glue. I am super excited. It's my new go-to. I'm super excited to have some more of this. And then the mint tape, which is like a paper tape that you can use to mask off areas if you're using a blender brush or one of the foam blenders, or if you're using a stencil. This is like kind of like painter's tape, but I think it's like Post-it tape. Let me open it up. I think it's paper instead of being like purple tape. But it is fully sticky, but yes, it's like paper. So you can see it just tears off, and it's all, the whole thing is sticky. So that's going to be super, super nice. Let me just stick that back on there for now. Okay, and then some of the new dies, which I'm super excited about. So they have, scrapbook.com has some new shape dies that are amazing. So there's this one that has the heart with the kind of label in the front, and then there's a separate die to cut this label piece, so you could stamp a sentiment and use this to cut out that sentiment and then layer it on top of the shape. And then there's also a snowflake one, so a heart and a snowflake. Then there are new word dies as well. So there are a bunch of these, and they're a little bit hard to read because they're backward, but I'm going to try and do this the best I can. So this is the vacation set. It says vacation, travel, and fun. This one is the celebrate set, so it says happy birthday and celebrate. This is the inspire set. It says inspire, sweet, love, and life. Oh, here's another shape die. This is a rainbow one. It also has the little sentiment die that goes with it. This one is the Merry Christmas. It just says Merry Christmas in this really gorgeous scripty font. This one is the thank you set, so it says hello, thanks, and thank you. This is thinking of you, so there is thinking of you, obviously, but there's also get well on here. This is family. It says memories, beautiful, and family. Summer has summer, beach, and sun. Awesome. There are also new alphabet dies, so there are 3 different sets here. They both come with both the lowercase and the uppercase. So this is the classic type. So here is all of the lowercase, and then on the other side is all of the uppercase. This is the tall skinny one. This is the one I'm most excited about. I think it's super cool looking. Again, it has the lowercase and the uppercase. And then the bold basic. This one's going to be really nice too, just because it's a really basic font that would work for just about any project. Again, uppercase and lowercase. I also got some of the new sticker books, and these are the larger containers or envelopes I was talking about before that I used to store my stamps, but look at how those sticker books fit inside there. So if you don't want to keep them in these plastic envelopes that they come in, and you want like, here, I'll just show you what I mean. There are 8 sheets here, so if you didn't want to store them in this plastic envelope, you could just stick them in here, and that way they wouldn't get lost, although they are in a booklet, so they aren't even loose sheets. Oh, it's like a little booklet. Very cool. So you can see there are alphas, there are phrases and labels. There's everything that's included. So this is the black, white, and gold set. There is also the rainbow sherbet set. And oh, look at those bright alphas. Okay, I have to open up and take a look at those because that is too pretty. Oh my goodness. Those are so gorgeous. Oh, and then that's like holographic. Like a holographic silver. Oh, super cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm very excited about that one. Okay, there is also a peppermint Christmas set. So it has red and green, of course. That was so loud. Okay, red and green, but also pink, which I love for Christmas. Oh, look at that. And then silver as well. This is the classic Christmas set. So it has like a dark green and red and gold. Oh, there's a gold alpha in here too. That's going to be really nice. And then finally, a charcoal blush and rose gold set. So, ooh. Okay, let's open up this one too. It's hard to see that rose gold on the image here, but look at that. Oops, there. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so that's the last sticker book. And then the other thing I received is this brand new package of sticker paper from scrapbook.com. So I have been having a struggle with the sticker paper that I was using the last three sticker papers that I purchased. They have not been working out great for me. But I am super excited to try this one and see how it goes. I will definitely do a review video and show you how it works. Oh my goodness, look at all that confetti. Okay, so look forward to that because I'm very anxious to see how well this works. Okay guys, that is everything. I hope that the outdoor noises weren't too terribly bad and that you were still able to enjoy this video. Of course, everything I've shown here will be linked down below. A lot of this is brand new. I have no idea if it's in stock, but I will provide the links below and you'll have to go and check it out in the shop. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope to see you back here soon.